Si ves detenidamente para observar lo que pasa, toca 2 veces la pantalla. Ahora presiona el más y verás algo diferente.
Trời ơi, được không Ní? Yên tâm, lên. Chỉ từ từ thôi mày ơi. Đường tình tao thua như đường tao chấp. Tao chưa báo hiếu ba mẹ nữa đó ông nội ơi, chạy từ từ thôi. Mày im đi, mày nhát quá. Muốn làm idol thì viết bút đầu, văn chơi xe là phía viết này.
My name is Chicky, 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 Chicky. My name is Cha Cha, Clop, Clop, Cha Cha Cha.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Huh?
어휴.
Okay, Bubbles here is gonna figure out what she wants first. Oh, what is it gonna be? Oh, it's the cantaloupe. Bubbles is amazing. She's an African elephant. You can tell by these giant ears. Oh, look at that. So I think it's gonna be the next thing. Something, so it's literally a connection to the brain, huh?
Great connection. She knows the watermelon's there. She knows it's all hers. So I think that she's just picking on the other stuff. She thinks that the pumpkins are rocks.
Oh, come on,
Daddy.
eat the pumpkin.
She is. She's still doing the bunch of bananas there.
So what do you guys think? Is this incredible? She was an orphan elephant. How long have you had her, Doc?
37 years she's lived with me.
37 years from a little tiny elephant. Wow, look at her. Listen to the crack. Listen for the crack.
Daddy, you're good.
Oh, look at all that juice. The tusk come back. So now here we go. So is it going to be the yellow one, the orange one, or none? That's the question. Ooh, but she's
A
still
lot of melon still.
She's still filling that melon out.
Yeah, a lot of melon there, huh?
And so, Doc, when she was a baby, where did she sleep?
Right next to me for the first 10 years.
She's loving that. Oh, man, look at that juice. Oh, oh, oh.
Easy with him.
You love taking that hat off, don't you? Ooh, did I make you happy?
She's just sitting there. She polishes it to that length. The other side, she grows and cuts all the time. She's had huge tusks and zero tusks, all different sizes in the 37 years we've hung out together.
I came last year and I could barely see that tusk. Now it's almost coming out, so I think you're back to it a second.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Tiny little baby elephant had to move in, had to be in direct contact to eat, to sleep, to be able to have a life at all. She wanted to know you were touching her. If you weren't touching her, she was not happy.
So was this like one of the first elephants that was orphaned that was brought back to the United States to save her?
No, maybe not in the first at all. Just one of the...
So what I did is I actually took some pear. Oh, look at that. She's still going to eat it. Boy, so the tusks have a lot of uses.
She wants to know if that outside has anything good on the inside. She's saying no.
Not enough sweet. Uh-oh, am I in trouble, girl? That pumpkin just getting crunched away. So, Doc, tell him about the tusk.
You know, elephant tusk grow as fast as your hair. They can grow up to a foot a year. So an elephant that's 10 years old could have a 10-foot long tusk, but they never do. Bubbles just let that tusk be rubbed off. It's right there on the surface.
Was that a thank you?
Ooh. What do you think?
Now the question is, will she eat the pumpkins?
Well, she's got a few minutes on that watermelon.
She's savoring it.
Which pumpkin is she going to eat first, you guys?
You can get in close if you wanted, I mean, or around the edge of that nose.
Look at that. Look at that.
Bây giờ bước ra đường rồi phải biết mấy chiều này con gái nó mới thích. 2, 3, lên.
Oh, there we go. Oh, she's gonna pop it open.
She wants to see what's inside.
No way. She's a smart one. Oh, yeah. You've been played, girl. I'm sorry.
Mini boss? No.
She probably knows. Yeah, I think she just figured, or she just understood the words you said. And she said,
Hey, girl.
easy.